column status. Search.
Okay, so I am using snack.io and Expo.
Expo. User screen recorder. Expo. User screen. Expo. 25 4.
Right.
25 4. Button start.
Right, so we see that our start button is working fine. It starts ticking down.
End productions. Button reset. 2452. Button reset. Button stop.
And
2446.
stop thing is
Button
also
start.
working fine. I hit start and it starts again, so that's working fine as well.
End productions. Button reset.
Okay, reset.
Work. 25 4.
Yes, so it goes back to its initial position, right. So I will...
25. Button start.
Now I come back after 25 minutes approximately.
User screen. Refresh. Advertisement bill. Busy list. Unable. Screen recording started. User screen. Mark red. User screen. Expo. Work. 004.
Okay, so here I am, my work time running out.
Wait. 457.
Oh yeah, it works. I have a 5-minute break now. I come back after 5 minutes again.
User screen. Screen recording started.
So okay, I am back again after almost 5 minutes.
User screen Expo. Wait. 004.
Okay, let's see.
Work. 2459.
Oh yeah, back to work. Yes, so working fine. Yay.
User screen. Refresh. More videos available. Unable.
Okay, so this is the code for our Pomodoro timer. And first you just imported the necessary stuff. Then we have a constructor here. We are binding this to each of the individual methods that we have, which are start, stop, reset, and tick. It's necessary to do this so that our program can work flawlessly. And we are also setting some default values for some variables. Now tick function is the main function that is essentially responsible for whatever goes on. It toggles between work and break and also ticks down time. We need to tell the computer here that when you reach 0 you don't go to -1, you need to change seconds to 59, and when the clock runs out you need to switch between work and break. And we also vibrate every time this toggles.
If left, this, stop, this.
Then we have the start, stop, and reset functions, which essentially just handle the starting, stopping, and resetting of the variables and of the timer.
Blank
Then
let.
we just have the render function, in which we are just rendering all the stuff. We have a message that shows what's happening, whether we have the break or the work. And we obviously show the time that is going, like the time that is left, and we also turn this time value to string in the tick function, just so that we can show things like 09, because integers don't allow us to do that. Then we have 3 buttons, out of which start and stop will be disabled depending on what is happening. For instance, if the clock is already ticking, the start button is going to be disabled, because it makes no sense to start something when it's already started. And if you hit start again, all it's going to do is make the clock tick faster. So yes, and the same goes for stop. We have stop disables the moment we stop the clock, and start is then enabled so that we can start the clock again.
This let idle less.
Yes, that's pretty much it. A short one.